Hello everyone. So today we are going to start exercise 4.3 and let's do its question 1 first part. Question is, they have given you the quadratic equation and you have to find if the real root exists and if yes, find them. So before coming to the solution, let me tell you how you will check it, and if you have watched my previous video, I'll put the link also in the description box. For real root exist or not, we have to check the value of d. D is equals to b square minus 4ac. D is this. From here we will find out b square minus 4ac. So the first case is, if d is greater than 0, real distinct root exists. Distinct means different roots will exist. And if d is equals to 0, then two same real roots will exist. Two same real roots. There will be two roots, but both the roots will be same. And if d is less than 0, no real root exists. So it means if these two conditions are there, real roots will exist. If this condition is there, real root will not exist. So first is, now the thing is, we have to find out d. So before, and we know d is b square minus 4ac. So before finding the d, let's compare it with the standard equation. Compare it with standard quadratic equation. And the standard quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Here a is what? A is 2, b is minus 3 and c is 5. Now let's find out the value of d. D is b square minus 4ac. Let's put the value of bac. B will be minus 3 whole square minus 4. A is 2. C is 5. Let's find out its value. Minus square will become plus, so minus 3 square will be 9. Minus sign as it is, 5 2s are 10, 10 4s are 40. 9 minus 40 is minus 31. So d की value is less than 0 because it is negative. It means it has to be positive. It means it has to be negative. So if it is less than 0, that is the value of d is coming negative. So we will write no real root exists. Okay. Thank you.